Did you know the @ symbol became a cornerstone of digital communication by chance? In 1971, Ray Tomlinson sent the first email and needed a way to separate the recipient's name from the computer they were using. He chose the @ symbol because it wasn't commonly used and literally meant @. Before that, the @ was mostly seen in accounting and invoices. Today, it's in every email address worldwide and even defines social media handles. So, next time you type an email or tag someone, remember, this humble symbol revolutionized the way we connect globally. All because it was available. Quote,